Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 3D line in publisher document. So let's started. At first open a publisher document. In this video, I will show create 3D line. Now going to the insert point option, then click. Now click for shape option. Now select from line option. Now draw a line shape. Now you can see, then say, going to the format one option, then click. Now click for shape outline, then select from widget option. Now select from 6pt. Then again going to the format one option, then click for shape effect option. Now select from 3D resolution option. Now select from any resolution. Now click from resolution. Now you can see, then I show create 3D line in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.